This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Working in the footwell on the driver's side, unscrew the centre pin and extract the plastic rivet securing the inner trim panel to the base of the fascia. Pull the panel away to release the 3 retaining clips at the rear and remove the trim panel. Undo the 2 retaining screws securing the base pollen filter housing cover to the side of the air distribution housing. Disengage and remove the cover from the housing. Slide out the pollen filter into the driver's footwell and remove it. Before fitting the new filter, note the direction of airflow arrow marked on its top edge. The arrow should point into the car. Slide the filter fully into position. Refit the cover and secure it in place with the 2 retaining screws. Then refit the fascia inner trim panel and secure the trim panel in position using the plastic rivet.